some pretty simple string manipulation methods that can be used in Python. These are in core Python, so you don't need to import any libraries. But these can be used across multiple disciplines. Presenting them here on my bioinformatics channel because string manipulation is core to sequence analysis, whether it be nucleotide or protein sequence analysis. So let's jump right in. We have a string here. We're going to assign it as a variable called string, and this is the string. This sequence of just random letters that I put in. Those are the characters. So we're going to enter that. We're going to control enter, and that puts it into memory as the string variable. And then if we want to determine the length of it, we're going to use the len function. So we're going to do len of the string variable, and we're going to assign that to the string len variable. And then we're going to print it out. Now I've already printed it out here, but we'll go ahead and run it again. And you see that this string is 24 in length. Now let's just add an extra one and see if we can change this. That should read out 25. Let's just make sure that it's doing that. So it did not, because we did not re-enter this into memory. So we're going to re-enter the string variable into memory. And then we're going to rerun the length. Now we see it's 25. Okay, so we know that the len function is working properly. So now let's say we need to replace a substring within that string. And in this case, we're going to find the substring FASD, and we're going to replace it with this string here, dogs, cats, and horses. So you see that FASD is right here. And then we're going to print out the new string. We're going to assign it to string2 variable. So let's go ahead and run that. And you see we've now added dogs, cats, and horses and deleted FASD from the string. Now then, what if we want to make all of the characters in the string uppercase? We're going to use the .upper method. So we're going to say string2, which is the one that has dogs, cats, and horses in it, .upper, and we're going to assign that to string3 variable, and we're going to print it out. So you can see now that the first two letters, which were lowercase, have now been changed to uppercase. Okay, now we're going to do the exact opposite. We're going to convert the entire string to lowercase, and the string that we're going to convert is going to be string3. So the string that we just made that had all uppercase, we're going to convert it to all lowercase, and we're going to assign it to the string4 variable. So let's go ahead and do that and print it out as string4. So now you see that everything is in lowercase. So these are a few functions that will help you out with string manipulation. This can be very helpful in multiple fields, but especially in the analysis of DNA and protein sequence data, because sometimes you need to know the length of a string in order to set up a loop that number of times. Sometimes you need to replace certain characters in a string, so wildcard characters. You don't really want those in your protein sequences or your DNA sequences. It helps to convert them all to upper, so you're dealing with only a single character, because a uppercase letter is not the same thing as a lowercase letter. They're two different characters. So when you're trying to look for certain characters, you need to know whether they're upper or lower. So it helps to convert everything to upper or lower. So these are all functions that you can use when building your bioinformatic scripts. So I hope this helps you out. I hope it gets you a little further down the line. If you like the video, if it helps you out, please like it. And also please subscribe to my channel. Thanks and have a great day.